Okay, let's see this reveal. Excuse me, I just got this in the mail, and why have I never heard of this? We have to try it out. Does it remind you of a little someone? Here's the barrel. It has all these settings, and it also blows air in the center. As for attachments, it comes with this curling wand. It comes with my favorite, which is just a regular paddle brush, and it also comes with the iconic drying nozzle. How pretty are these colors? I'm gonna begin with the paddle attachment because I'm gonna air dry my hair just a little bit. Let's turn her on. Not bad, and it left my hair kind of shiny. Okay, this is the one that I'm most curious about, which is the curling wand. I like to read instructions, and so what they say is to grab a piece of hair, put it through the wand, you start turning. Hair is in, I'm gonna turn it on. Let's see this reveal. It's perfect! Before I go and curl my entire hair, let's try out the last two attachments. I'm gonna round brush this part. Oh, hold on. Are you seeing this? What kind of magic is in here? Okay, yeah, my mom's gonna definitely steal this from me. Not even gonna get excited because I already know she's gonna be like, dámelo, yo lo quiero, tú ya tienes este que ni siquiera usas. Anywho, this last one is pretty straightforward. It's just a blow dryer. Here's the verdict. It's amazing. Every single thing worked out perfectly. And honestly, if you've been wanting one of these, just get you one of these. It is way, 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 way more affordable, and it works.